Hi, my name is Jason.
And I'm Stephanie, your pet food expert at StellarNet.
Today we are going to do a demonstration of our ChemWiz-ADK near-infrared pet food analyzer using our technician mode. So in a previous video, we showed you how to create a custom calibration model for a pet food blend. In this one, we're going to be the technician. And so we're basically going to log into the software as a technician. Lots of the features are going to be disabled, and we're basically going to have one button analysis of a pet food. So this is an ideal situation for a QC inspector, or process line inspector, either way. And yeah, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and share the screen. And when we do the measurement, we're basically going to be putting kibble blend onto the fixture head, just as Stephanie had showed you there. So, okay, share my screen. Okay. So right now we're logging in. See at the top we have technician login, and so we now are going to call this tech pet. Okay, tech pet login. Okay, so as you can see, there's no hamburger menu up here on the left. There's no spectrometer controls on the bottom. Really, we just have an analyze button and a start recording button. If we were doing ID for raw ingredients, for example, we could still use that mode as a technician, but as a technician for the custom blend, we are going to just use this mode here. And so the loaded model is our dog food demo. This is the same model we just made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click start recording. And so Steph, if you would, let's put that kibble blend on the fixture for measurement. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and press analyze. Okay, so right now we're going to get a green check. That basically is a validation check, letting us know that in fact a dog food calibration is loaded. It's the correct model, and there are no significant outliers, and it is a good sample. So as a technician, I would just name this, whatever lot number it is. We could do 01, so forth, and click confirm. I could keep measuring samples. Today, why don't you move the sample on the fixture just slightly as if we're measuring a different one. It should have very similar results, but as the blend is not completely uniform, you may have to measure a few times. So, all right, so there is the same sample. And you can see it's actually a different part of the kibble pellet. And I'm going to measure over here. I'm going to measure 0.2, save it as 0.2, click confirm. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click stop recording. And I'm going to show you this is where the report is saved. So if you go to the desktop of the device, it's going to show you the test report, which is going to be down here in data, files, okay, tech pet. And you can see that this is your report, your technician report. So this is a basic report for the samples 1 and 2 that we just took. You can take as many data points as you want. We can even customize these reports. This is just the included report module for a technician. So that's basically it. As a technician, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So thank you for watching this demonstration for ChemWiz-ADK near-infrared pet food analyzer.